On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Craig Morrell. I'm with Landscape Restorations in Miami, Florida. We're here at Palm Hammock Orchid Estate in Miami, Florida, talking about basic gardening. In this video clip, we're going to be talking about the right plant for the right spot. In this design behind me, we see all the plants that are perfectly suited to this sort of a location. We have a dwarf muscenda, we have an Angiopteris fern, we have colocasias, water lilies, and begonias that really like a lot of water. All of these plants are perfectly integrated for this spot. And how would you find out this kind of information? Ask master gardeners, ask your local extension agency, ask plant societies. They're terrific sources of information. They love to give out information. They're always looking for new members. And they'll come out to your house, they'll do an intervention, they'll put what you need in the right spot with no problems at all. For your $25 a year, you'll get some of the best information in the business. For your $25 or $35 membership, you'll have an entire squad of consultants. So use your options, do your homework, and figure out the right plant for the right spot so that you can enjoy your garden.